Let me start with a simple question. What happens to your lifestyle, your family, your future, if your salary stops for just 3 months? Not reduces, not delays, stops. For most high-earning professionals in Kenya, the answer is uncomfortable because behind that nice salary, the car, the school fees, there is no real financial independence, just dependence on your next payslip. In this video, I'm going to show you the only type of real estate that actually works if you are a busy professional. Not theory, not hype, not risky side hustles, but a practical, structured approach that allows you to build predictable passive income without quitting your career and without taking unnecessary risk. If you have ever felt like, I earn well, but I'm not moving forward financially, I don't have time to run a business, I want passive income, but I don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Hello, my name is Manyara Kierago. For over 20 years, I've helped thousands of professionals across the leading corporates in Kenya and also international organizations structure their finances and build long-term wealth. And more importantly, I have worked closely with private clients, doctors, pilots, IT specialists who have gone on to acquire multi-unit apartment buildings and completely transform their financial future. This is not theory, it works. And if you want help applying this in your own life, I'll show you how to access my free training later in this video. Also, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Share this with somebody who needs it. Let's get into it. Let's be honest. The problem is your income is not structured into assets. Most professionals try SACCOs, unit trusts, side businesses, plots, and even off-plan apartments. And while some of these are useful, none of them on their own reliably create strong, predictable, scalable passive income. In fact, many of them create more complexity, more risk, more time pressure. And that's the one thing that you don't have: time. Now let's talk about real estate, because almost every professional eventually comes to the same conclusion. I think real estate is the answer. And they're right. But then they fall into a trap. A very expensive trap. The belief that you must build property from scratch or that you must buy one apartment at a time. This is the biggest mistake I see, because both of these paths are completely unsuitable for a busy professional. Let me explain. Building from scratch. This requires time that you don't have, requires expertise you don't have, requires risk tolerance most people underestimate, delays, cost overruns, uncertainty. This is not a passive investment, it's a second job. Buying single apartments, often overpriced. One tenant means high risk. One vacancy results in zero income, and that's not stability, that's fragility. And this is exactly why many professionals get stuck. So what actually works? The answer is simple, but not obvious. Existing multi-unit apartment buildings. Not construction, not off-plan, not one unit at a time, but acquiring income-producing apartment blocks. This is the model that works consistently, and it's not theory. It's a strategy that's been applied successfully for decades, including in my own family. In fact, one of the most powerful lessons I've ever learned came from my own father, who acquired a 10-unit building in Isli with very little capital and turned it into decades of income and long-term wealth. That one decision changed everything, and you can replicate it. Let me break down why this works so well for professionals. Number one, predictable cash flow. When you have multiple tenants, one vacancy doesn't collapse your income. Risk is spread. Income becomes stable. This is what you want, consistency. Number two, true passive structure. You don't manage tenants. You hire a property manager and you manage the manager, and that's it. Now your investment fits into your life, not the other way around. Number three, easier financing. Banks understand rental property. Because it produces income, it serves as its own collateral. This makes financing far more practical than most people think. Number four, built-in growth. Two types of growth happen. Rental income increases over time, and the property value increases over time. You're building both cash flow and equity. Number five, inflation protection. As the cost of living rises, rent rises, your income adjusts with the economy. And that's powerful. Number six, scalability. This is where it gets interesting. Once you understand this model, you can acquire one property, then use its strength to acquire the next. This is how portfolios are built, not randomly, but systematically. Now, here is the real question. If this works so well, why isn't everybody doing it? Three reasons. Number one, mindset. The numbers feel too big, so people don't even try. Number two, lack of strategy. They don't know how to approach it, so they default to smaller, less effective options. Number three, no implementation plan. Even if they believe, they don't know the steps, and without clarity, there is no action. If you're serious about this, here is how to think about it. Step number one, understand your financial position. What resources do you have? Savings, assets, borrowing capacity. The clarity starts here. Step number two, learn to recognize a good deal. You don't need to become an expert, but you need to understand rental income versus costs, location dynamics, demand drivers. This protects you from bad decisions. Number three, build the right support systems. You don't do this alone. You need advisors, property professionals, financial structure and support. This is not a DIY investing project. Step number four, follow a structured system. This is the most important part because without structure, you will hesitate, delay, overthink, and stay stuck. Let me ask you this. Have you ever considered real estate but felt it was too complicated, too risky, or too time consuming? Let me know about it in the comments. Let's bring this together. If you're a busy professional, you do not need more effort. You do not need more side hustles. You do not need more confusion. What you need is the right structure and the right type of asset. And that is income producing apartment buildings. Now, if you want to understand exactly how to go from where you are today to owning a 16, 24, or even 48 unit apartment building step by step, then I've created a free training for you. How to acquire a 16, 24, or even 48 unit apartment building. In the training, I break down the exact strategy, how financing actually works, how to identify the right opportunities, and how professionals like you are doing this successfully. Click the link in the description below and watch it now. If you have found this useful, hit the like button, share it with a colleague or a friend, and be sure to subscribe because this is where we focus on structured growth, not just income, but real wealth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.